Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. Downsampling is a common operation in data processing where you reduce the number of samples in a dataset. In the context of numpy, downsampling typically refers to reducing the resolution of an array, such as an image or time series data. What is downsampling? Downsampling can be used to reduce the amount of data for faster processing, create a lower resolution version of an image, aggregate data points over a certain interval in time series data. Using numpy for downsampling. Numpy does not have a built-in function specifically named downsample, but you can achieve downsampling through various methods, such as slicing, averaging, or using more specific libraries like scipy. Below are some methods you can use with numpy for downsampling. Method 1, Slicing. If you want to simply reduce the size of an array by taking every nth sample, you can use slicing. Here's a simple example. Method 2, Averaging. A common method for downsampling, especially with images or continuous data, is to average groups of samples. For instance, if you want to downsample an array by averaging every n samples, you can do the following. Method 3, Using scipy for downsampling, more advanced. For more advanced downsampling, particularly in signal processing, you can use the scipy.signal.resample function. This method uses Fourier methods to downsample the data. Summary. Downsampling in numpy can be done through simple slicing, averaging, or using more sophisticated methods from libraries like scipy. The method you choose will depend on the specific requirements of your application, such as whether you want to preserve certain characteristics of the data or simply reduce the size for faster computation. Feel free to experiment with these methods and adjust the parameters to see how they affect your data.